What's happening, guys? All right, we'll give it another minute or so, a few seconds here, let everybody else join the room. What's up, Brian? What's up, John? Carson? All right, let's go ahead and get started here. Hey, thanks for joining us tonight, guys. This is Topps Chrome number 2. It's one jumbo box, one hobby box. Should pull 7 autos out of this, so let's pull a monster tonight. We've got Diamondbacks Curtis, Braves Gary, Orioles Gary, Red Sox Benjamin, White Sox Daniel, Cubs Derek, Reds Andrew, Indians Corey, Rockies Carson, Tigers Carson, Astros Derek, Royals Ryan, Angels Don, Dodgers Michael, Marlins Jason, Brewers Josh, Twins Yankees and Mets Ryan, A's Andrew, Phillies Don, Pirates Jason, Padres Don, Giants Josh G, Mariners Josh L, Cardinals Josh G, Rays Don J, Rangers Carson W, Blue Jays Doug M, Nationals Don J. All right. Let's see what we can do. All right, empty box. All right. All right, first half of the hobby box. Arenado. Right off the bat, we've got a gold shimmer Lucas Giolito. Gold shimmered Lucas Giolito, numbered 15 of 25 for the White Sox. Going to Daniel C. Nice hit, Dan. Very nice. Guy got him a no-no last night. Very nice. Sweet. All right, freshman flash, Noose, Jansen, Urias, Mookie Betts. Got a refractor, Javi Baez, Tim Anderson, Trevor Story, Ian Desmond, and Willie Mays die cut, not numbered, for the Giants. Edmund for the Cardinals, Blackman, Altuve, and Jesus Luzardo, 1985, the A's. Peralta, Hilliard, Fulmer, and Conforto, refractor for the Mets, and Elvis Andrus. Biggio, Iglesias, Edwin Rios, rookie prism for the Dodgers, not numbered. Urquidy, Candelario, Josh Hader, freshman flash for the Reds, Aristides Aquino, Brian Anderson, Votto, Lorenzo Cain, and Mike Soroka, refractor. All right, we should have two auto. No, hopefully we get one auto on this. Morjan, Samardzija, Chapman, Pete Alonso, Future Stars, refractor. Looks like a refractor. Doesn't say it on there. Kikuchi, Lopez, Bo Bichette, rookie. Rhys Hoskins, 1985. Aquino, rookie card. Trey Turner. Garcia for the Cubs. John Means, refractor. Seager, Corbin, Anthony Kay, Alberto Prism for the Orioles, and Aaron Judge. All right, guys, I'm not going to spend a lot of time sleeving these up on the video. I will sleeve these up, top load the top cards, the rookies, the autos, obviously. So I'll save a little time here. Put those over there. Let's go ahead and get right to our second half of the hobby box. Should have two autos in this. You said the Mets are heating up on the field or in the break? All right, that is an interesting card there. I'm going to come back to that. I don't know if anybody can see that. I'm going to put that on top. Not even sure what that is. All right, that's good. Yeah, my Braves took care of business tonight against the Yankees. That was kind of surprising. Garrett Cole, Ian Anderson, his first game, looked pretty doggone good against Garrett Cole. Didn't see that one coming. All right, let's find out what this is first. Okay, Reggie Jackson, relic, game used memorabilia. That's a sweet looking card. This is a retro rookie relic, 21 of 99, Reggie Jackson. Nice hit for the A's. Nice card. That's probably a 75. All right, here we go. Second half of the hobby box. Chris Bryant, Adames, Moncada, got a Miggy refractor, Glasnow, Eloy, Berrios, and our first autograph for the Cubs, Adbert Alzolay. Alzolay for the Cubs. Congrats. Going to Derek, the Cubs. Nice hit. All right. Got a Pujols, Marquez, Kingery, 1985 Gavin Lux. Very nice. Let's leave that up. And the Dodgers. Gavin Lux, 1985. Suarez, Harper, Fernando Tatis Jr., Future Stars. Doesn't say refractor. It doesn't say refractor, but it looks like one. Seth Brown, refractor for the A's. Laureano, Correa, Andrelton Simmons, and Rosario Prism for Twins. Soler, Edwin Rios, Mazzara, Austin Riley, Future Stars, Kluber, Nicholas, Rosario, and Tanaka, refractor for the Yanks. Brandon McKay. That's a good question. I don't know the way that the Dodgers are playing. I'm not sure if he will or not. John Lester, Eloy Jimenez, and our next auto to the Blue Jays, a purple Anthony McKay rookie card. Purple Anthony McKay, and that is numbered 76 of 250 for the Blue Jays. And that's it. That's going to Doug M. Congrats, Doug. D. Gordon, Herrera, Berrios, 1985 Luis Robert for the White Sox. Nice card. That's a really good looking card. Let's hope that's not our first Robert tonight. Nice card. All right, Luzardo, Hendricks, Nick Senzel, and we got a Gratterall refractor for the Dodgers. Max Scherzer, San Diaz, Ramirez for the Marlins, and a Prism Trevor Williams. Last card, Aaron Civale. All right. Let's get into the good stuff. What's up, Heather? Thanks for coming back. All right, let's find that monster. See some color, a couple colors already. Like a gold and maybe a red. Sweet. All right, here we go. Yankees, Urshela, Kershaw, Brandon Crawford, Gurriel Jr., Hunter Dozier, and our first auto going to the Mariners. Not the Mariner we were looking for, but Tim Lopes for the Mariners. Tim Lopes. All right. Bellinger Refractor. Corey Seager Prism. JD Martinez. Nola. Joey Gallo. Bobby Bradley. Chu. Wade Merrifield. Arcia. Luis Arias. Kyle Schwarber. And we got a Laureano Future Stars. Followed by a die cut Mark McGwire. Isolated Power. I'll just leave it up in a second. There's a Mariner. Kyle Lewis rookie card. And that is a refractor. Kyle Lewis refractor. Another nice hit for the Mariners. And we'll follow that up with a Gavin Lux 1985. Let's leave that one up too. Gavin Lux 1985. Nice hit. Nicky Lopez. Goldschmidt. Giolito. Archie Bradley. Springer. Yordan Alvarez. Rookie. Not a refractor. For the Astros. Santana. Simeon. Xander Bogaerts. Ronald Acuna Jr. Freshman Flash Nico Horner. Brandon Belt. Gurriel Jr. Prism. Arozarena. Kevin Newman. Matt Olson. Rafael Devers. Freddie Freeman. Matt Chapman. Votto. Lorenzo Cain. Candelario. Juan Soto. That's a nice hit right there for the Reds. Aristides Aquino, rookie card for the Reds, auto. Very nice hit. Congrats, Andrew. There is a little dribble here on his autograph, but pretty good looking card. Very nice. All right. Dunn, refractor for the Mariners. Eloy, 1985. Rogers, Syndergaard, Labia, Chris Paddock, Travis Demerite, Munoz, Garcia, Lopez, Bo Bichette rookie card. That's the second one we pulled out of that. Yeah, right. Adds a little character to it. Maybe that'll bring a little extra value to it, Andrew. Bo Bichette rookie. All right. Samardzija. Auto refractor. Freshman Flash, Dustin May. Kepler. Refractor. Crawford. Prism. Mitch Haniger. Gavin Lux rookie. I think that's the third Lux we pulled. Gavin Lux rookie. Lindor. Alzolay. Pete Alonso. Baez. Nola. Yamamoto. Santander. And a Will Smith Future Stars for the Dodgers. Schwarber. And that is a red refractor. Kyle Schwarber, numbered 4 of 5. 4 of 5 for the Cubbies. Derek W., nice hit. Hit number 2 for Derek. Pretty nice. That's worthy of going up on the stand. Schwarber, 4 of 5. Carter Kieboom, refractor. Rhys Hoskins, 1985. Abraham Toro. Rhys Hoskins. Justin Dunn. Carter Kieboom. And a Kyle Lewis rookie card. I think that's our second one of those. It is our second one. Another hit for the Mariners. Josh L. having a nice break. All right. So we should have 3 autos left in the second half of the jumbo. Let's pull a big one. Do appreciate you guys joining the night. I don't have anything up right now, but I will be putting a couple breaks up for early next week. If you would, just please like or subscribe to my Facebook page and YouTube page. That way I can communicate with you guys, let you know when the next breaks are happening. All right, here we go. Second half of the jumbo. Mondesi. Swanson, Victor Reyes, DeJong, Brian Reynolds, Future Stars, Freshman Flash, AJ Puck, little bend on the bottom there. Kingery, that is a refractor. Dozier, Prism, Urquidy, Andrus, Peralta, Tommy Edman, Tim Anderson, Bryce Harper. I feel like that's something stuck. Yep, got two cards there. German Marquez, Adames, Tellez, Future Stars, Kevin Biggio. All right. We've got an Ichiro die cut. Total runs above average. Lindor, refractor. Keston Hiura, 1985. Scherzer, Lizardo, rookie. Stuck together. There we go. D. Gordon, Brendan McKay, Kluber, Urias, Mookie Betts, and we got a few stuck together here. Mookie Betts, Nolan Arenado, Correa, Andrelton Simmons. Our next auto going to the A's, Sheldon Neuse. Sheldon Neuse rookie auto to the A's. And Andrew H. Andrew H. having a night. Congrats. Sheldon Neuse. All right, Mauricio Dubon, refractor. Kikuchi, prism. Matthias, Segura, Logan Webb, Fernando Tatis Jr., Aaron Saval. All right, we're looking for two more autos. Patrick Corbin, Anthony Kay, Trey Turner, AJ Puck, rookie, Vogelbach. And our next auto to the Orioles, Tom Eshelman. And it is a purple, numbered 31 of 250. Tom Eshelman and the Orioles. Going to Gary. Nice hit. All right, let's make the last one a big one. Mitch Haniger, Lizardo, 1985. Kikuchi, Morjan, Brian Anderson, Sheldon Neuse, Trey Mancini, and Lewis Roberts, rookie. Not a refractor, but a nice card. Lewis Robert. All right, here we go. Last couple packs. Chris Archer, Brock Burke, Villar, Collins, and our last auto, the Giants, Mauricio Dubon, rookie auto for the Giants. Going to Josh G. Congrats, Josh. Appreciate you coming back to the break. Dubon, Giants. All right, we'll finish this out and then we'll do a recap. Gonzalez Refractor. Aquino Prism. Very nice card. Glasnow. Chris Bryant. Aaron Judge. Corey Seager. Another Aquino rookie card. Josh, did you just join? Moncada for the White Sox. Marte. Bueller. Ohtani. Snell. And we've got a negative Mercado for the Indians. Oscar Mercado, negative. Gavin Lux rookie. I think that's our 4th Gavin Lux rookie card. We got one more good one coming up on the next one. Gavin Lux rookie. Lewis Robert, 1985. Nice hit. Lewis Robert, 1985. All right, last few cards. Danny Jansen, Soler, Laureano, Suarez, and Pujols. All right, quick recap. Get you guys out of here. Again, thanks for joining. All right, non-autos. Hey, Josh, thanks for coming back, man. Appreciate it. Lewis Robert, 1985. Gavin Lux, rookie. Aristides Aquino Prism. Aquino rookie. Lewis Robert rookie. Kyle Lewis rookie. Gavin Lux. Bo Bichette. I think we pulled another Bo Bichette too that I didn't sleeve. I will get that sleeved up. Yordan Alvarez. Gavin Lux, 1985. Another Kyle Lewis. Lewis Robert, 1985. That's the second one of those. Another Gavin Lux, 1985. Then we started off with the Reggie Jackson game used memorabilia for the A's. Giolito Gold, numbered 15 of 25. Hey, thank you, Andrew. And our last relic, or our last non-auto, was Kyle Schwarber Red for the Cubs, numbered 4 of 5. Really nice card. All right, autos. Got Alzolay for the Cubs. Tim Lopes for the Mariners. Orioles, a purple Eshelman, numbered to 250. Sheldon Neuse for the A's. Dubon for the Giants. And an Anthony K. purple, numbered to 25. I'm sorry, numbered to 250 for the Blue Jays. And lastly, Aquino rookie auto for the Reds. Thanks a lot, guys. Appreciate you joining. Again, all cards will ship. I'll get this uploaded to YouTube here in the next few minutes, and look forward to seeing you guys on a future break. Have a good night.